Hello, beloved. I'm glad that you are here. Welcome. Before we begin, I want you to do something simple but powerful. Stop trying to fix yourself for the next few minutes. This is not performance. This is not a test. This is a return. If you've been living in overload, your nervous system has been carrying more than your mind can explain. And that's why the same cycle keeps repeating. Because your system doesn't change through pressure. It changes through experience. So let this meditation be your first proof that you can downshift, that you can soften, that you can feel without collapsing, that you can come back to yourself. For the next 15 minutes, your only job is to participate. If your mind wanders, that's okay. If you feel nothing, that's okay. If emotion rises, that's okay too. Just keep returning, breath by breath. And if this gives you even a 5% shift, remember, that shift is not luck. It's the beginning of a new baseline. And if you are ready to go deeper than a single meditation into a guided, structured reset, you will know what to do next. Start the 6-week shedding structure program because you don't need any more information. You need a process that holds you long enough for change to stick. Now, let's begin. Settle into a comfortable position. Let your hands rest where they can soften. Allow your shoulders to drop. Take a slow inhale through the nose and a longer exhale out through the nose. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale longer than the inhale. Now just notice if your body could speak without words, what would it say right now? No fixing, no judging, just noticing. Bring one hand to your chest or belly. Let the contact be gentle, like reassurance. And whisper to yourself, this is a state, not my identity. Now imagine the last few weeks of your life. The moments you felt reactive, overwhelmed, overloaded, numb, exhausted. Instead of blaming yourself, see it clearly. Your system has been carrying too much. Take a breath. Inhale, slow, long breath. And on the exhale, let your jaw soften. Now, picture a snake in the wild. Quiet, instinctive, wise. It sheds because the old skin becomes too tight, not because it failed, because it grew. Let yourself feel this truth and whisper to yourself, I am shedding what no longer fits. Notice what old skin you've been living inside. A role, a pattern, a survival strategy, an identity you have outgrown. Without shame, just honesty. And now, gently imagine that old skin loosening. With each exhale, it releases the pressure, the performance, the fear, and the loop. You don't force it. You don't rip it off. You allow it. Breath by breath, your system learns. That it is safe to change. Now bring your attention to your inner voice. Not loud, not demanding. Quiet, steady, simple. Ask inwardly, what is the next true step for me? And wait. Whatever comes, one word, one feeling, one direction, trust that is enough. Now place both hands on your chest. Let your breath be slow. And repeat softly. Calm first. Then pause. Clarity. Then pause. Change. And now here's a blessing for the part of you that has been trying so hard. May you be held. May you be steady. May you trust yourself again. Take one more slow inhale and a longer exhale. When you are ready, you may open your eyes. And remember, you don't have to change everything today. You just have to continue with honesty, consistency, and gentleness. Thank you.